Hello, I'm going to be reviewing the amberhurdle.com website. As I arrive here, I see this great smiling picture, but I say, who are you? What do you do? And why do I care? And that's really what you have to clearly tell people. Don't make people think. If you arrive here and within a half a second, if you don't know what the person does, then you have a problem. You have a unique value proposition problem. And everybody in Fire Nation has given you some great feedback for sure, and definitely some great feedback from Dean and Aaron as well, as your site is not responsive. It should fit nicely as a form in here within the mobile experience. But as I arrive here, the size that I really actually want to look at is this. This is how majority of people actually see your website. This is what it's called above the fold, and this is what your focal point is. It's really hard to understand what you do within this experience, and this is probably what majority of older people would definitely be seeing your site at. Just because I have a big monitor doesn't mean that people don't see your site just like this. So the reason why this is hard to read is because everything's in caps. You want to definitely have a mix of that and maybe try a different font. Definitely want to flip-flop this and always ask for the lower barrier of entry first. Get people to enter their name, and you maybe even want to make it into more of a story. You're definitely missing some type of unique value proposition and clearly stating what you do, and then having a call to action that leads to maybe your product or whatever. But right now, no one knows what professional organizations and results are. And then you probably want to give people a better experience for your blog. It's your content. Show the pictures and make it valuable to your readers. And that will force more changes to your homepage. You want to actually have this live text. This is actually important for SEO to have on every page, to have live text, but this is maybe not the composition to really tell your story, because right now your logo is definitely hard to read, and your story just isn't told properly within the visual hierarchy of your page. So let's look at some examples. Marie Forleo does a great job of showing her picture to lead you to this experience of reading through this text and into the form. Yes, I would suggest that she tries and tests pictures of her book right there. Definitely. Then she shows Oprah right here, and that's credibility and social proof to make you feel comfortable to introduce you to Marie Forleo. Then she shows her nice blog here, and everything is clearly organized in this visual hierarchy to get you to scroll. Here's another example of Katie's. Fire Nation Elite member. She also does something that Marie does. She shows her unique value proposition along with her logo, introduces herself right into the email. That visual hierarchy creates a nice experience as you scroll down. Chris Ducker also does a great job of this. Clear logo, clear navigation, clear book. Join my new business bootcamp for free, and then get them to sign up. Using these type of elements wherever you've given a talk or been advertised, this is social proof. You want to lower their barrier to entry of people learning about Amber. So then clearly breaking it up into the areas of the content that he has. Here's another example of how to do it. And he rotates through different messages, but they're almost like telling the story while everything's going on. So it's easier to digest than just showing these random pictures. Your past is not equal to your future. Oh, who's Jonathan Doyle? Okay, I'm going to scroll down now. So if you do want to rotate in, you have to continue the story to make that happen. And then as you scroll down, he shows his navigation within the elements. As you go to his blog, another example. Nice big videos and images. As you scroll down, you get the navigation. So you're never really lost. You can always click on home. You can get back to those areas because people definitely want to scroll and do things. Here's another example. She does a great job as well, clearly stating what her unique value proposition is. Traffic and conversions. I think John might know her, so I'm trying to get him to get me an interview with her. And she does a great job by showing her personality in her unique website design. So, definitely some good examples. And as you go through yours, trying to figure out your story, just look at those type of other examples and see what other people are doing so you can tell your story the same. And then you can do the same thing with the About page and so forth. Now, what I also want to recommend is definitely having an SEO expert take a look at what you're marketing to. Employee engagement, executive coaching, I don't know, it seems like you can be doing a lot more. This is called the title up here, and these is basically what you're marketing to. Most people are already going to be able to find you through Amber Hurdle. So Amber Hurdle may not even be the best thing that you should be putting up here at the top. But those are my comments for now. I will take a look after you make some changes.